This is how to factory reset, hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Mega. Let's get started. We're going to hold power, we're going to hold volume up, and we're going to hold the home key all at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going to keep holding until we feel the vibration and see the Samsung logo come right up. This is a sign right here that you've done it right. So we're going to wait for the Android recovery menu to pop right up. There it is. We're going to use the volume keys now to select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press OK with power. And we're going to use the volume to scroll all the way down to Yes, delete all user data. Oops. And press OK with power. It's going to take a few seconds, 10 seconds, to wipe all the data, format the data, and we'll keep an eye right here and it'll tell us when it's done. Data wipe is complete. So now you can reboot the system, and that is how you factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe your Samsung Galaxy Mega. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.